Right, I've just hopped in the river, little tannin stream here. I'm going to have a quick flick with the white miller here, and it's a bit open here. They've got a 30 to 35 km/h wind coming across here at the moment. It's just howling. So I'm going to be picking a bit choosy where I fish, otherwise I'm going to just finish up these tea trees. But I'll have a flick here and then I'll get out and I'll just move a bit further downstream and then I'll fish my way back up. Alright, wind's playing total chaos here. It's nearly impossible to get a line in the water. So I've had 2 hits and missed both of them. And they weren't real solid hits, you know, they weren't even real takes, they just come up and whack and gone. So anyway, we'll just push on for a bit longer and see what happens. Oh, just moving a little sheltered spot. It's shallow water here, but it's a nice little flat bit up there. Hopefully I'll get a hit or even a follow here. I don't think I'll last in here much longer. I'm going to fish my way back to near the car, and yeah, which is only probably 50 metres away, I think, 50 or 60 metre from here. I don't really think I'd waste my time. Come back in 2 days' time, I think, when this wind drops off and the water level drops a bit more. I'm very impressed with the little IXT 1000 reel. I use it so smooth, it runs beautiful. I just need a hook up on it now to top the day off with it. I just had a nice brown come up and follow the white miller all the way up around here. From a long cast straight in the middle of that river, and he just followed it right up through here to about here before he just went deep and then moved off. So I put a gold aglia mooch noy on there, little 1.5 grammer. See if that'll make any difference. They're just off today. Right, finally got one. I don't know how well hooked he is. It's a nice fish too. This one's a beauty. And you may toss it. I don't know. He's a lovely fish. And one cast up there. He come up behind it very slow. Didn't really. No aggression in the strike on it, just came up behind it. I felt the weight of him and just leaned back and set the hook. So, yeah, he's only just got in that jaw. Yeah, so anyway, I'll get him off and photograph him and send him on his way. Beautiful fish, absolutely glorious condition too. Anyway, there he is. Lovely, lovely fish. He's good to go. He's rearing to go too. He's off. He's gone. Yeah, so maybe another one on that from that left-hand side this time too. Oh, it's always a relief when you get a fish, you know. It makes your day. I'm just moving in a nice deep stretch of water here. Little pocket of water. Let's hope something takes it here. Alright, my day's done here. I fished on another 100 metres of river I shouldn't have done. It was never even saw a fish in it. Should have just called today when I was going to. It's just gone 12:05. Yeah, so nearly 2 hours, just over 2 hours in the river for 2 hookups.